how to create your own YouTube end screen. Adding an end screen to your YouTube videos, that's going to increase your watch time and your views because you continue to lead your audience to other videos of interest on your channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can make an end screen for YouTube, like this template or like this one that I built from scratch. Now for this, we're going to be using Veed. Let's get started. Now the first way is extremely easy. Veed has an entire library of stock footage, and included with that, you're going to find pre-made end screens. So now we're on Veed, simply click search next to stock videos, and in the search bar, type in outro. Here you'll see you've got lots of different choices. Simply choose your favorite and give it a moment here to load. Now, if you're happy with that, then please feel free to skip forward to this timestamp. However, if you would like to learn how to completely build your own from scratch and customize it, then stay tuned. To build your own custom end screen from scratch, we're going to go back into Veed, and this time we're going to select upload a file. You can choose any photo or video and just give it a moment to load. For an end screen on YouTube, it needs to be a minimum of 5 seconds long, so if you have uploaded a still image, just make sure that it reaches that 5-second mark on the timeline by pulling it over to the right. Next, we need to add our shapes for the subscribe button and the video windows. So in the left toolbar here, click Elements, scroll down to Shapes and click View All. Choose the circle, and then we can change the circle color, the opacity, the color of the outline, the opacity of the outline, the thickness of it, and lastly, we can animate our shape. Click Animations and hover your mouse over each one to see it in effect and choose your favorite. Now we're going to make that circle bigger so that when we're on YouTube and we add the subscribe button, we can still see the circle frame surrounding it. Now pick it up and move it to where you like on screen. Then you're going to head to your timeline and drag that shape layer over to the right so that it ends in sync with the video. You're going to then repeat this again, but this time when we open up the shapes, we're going to choose rectangle. Then you can customize the color, outline, animation, size, position, and make sure that it ends in sync with the rest of the video. And if you'd like to have 2 rectangles, you can always right click on the first one, copy it, and then paste it on screen. So that's how to add the shape element for our YouTube end screen. And moving on, we're now going to add text to tell people to subscribe here or click over here. And we can do this one of 2 ways. So the first way is to use built-in animated stickers. Click Elements in the toolbar and scroll down to Animated Stickers and click Search. In here, you can look up the word subscribe or click here, and then you can choose any option you like. You can extend the duration of it, resize it, and place it anywhere on screen. So that's option 1. Option 2 is to customize your own text. Put your playhead to the beginning of the video and then click text in the toolbar. You're going to click headline title, delete what's in there, and type out what you want it to say. Then you can choose the font, size, color, effect, and animation. Position it on screen and make sure that it ends in sync with your video, and you can repeat this again if you'd like to add more text. Now, one thing that we're missing here is music, especially if your channel has a regular jingle or a music track. We can use that to keep your YouTube video on brand. So click Add Media above the timeline and select Upload a File. Then choose your track and give it a moment here to upload. If it's longer than your video, just push it over to the left so that everything ends in sync. If you need to adjust the volume, you can do that over here. Also, if you don't have any music, you can always use Veed's library of built-in stock audio, and a lot of the tracks on there are free to use. Now our YouTube end screen is finished, let's export it. But first, we can save it as a template. So click the 3 lines up the top left-hand corner and then click Save as a Template. The next time you go to view your dashboard, you'll be able to use it again. Now let's get back to exporting our video. So click Done in the top right-hand corner and click where it says Quality. Then you can choose your render settings, go back and click Export Video. Lastly, click Download and download MP4. Here's how it turned out after I added my end screen cards on YouTube Studio. And that's it. That's 2 ways to create a YouTube end screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.